good morning again. So this is our day 2 here in Bangkok, Thailand. And again, i-room tour ko kayo ulit dito sa room na book ko sa Agoda. Ang pangalan is Lucky House. Pero ang hirap hanapin ng Lucky House. So ang nakita ko dito is ang pangalan talaga ata is Dangderm Hospitality Group. So siguro ito yun, part siya. Parang siguro part siya ng company. So again, nakuha ko lang ito sa Agoda ng 3,100 pesos for 4 nights and 5 days. So mura na yun actually. And then maganda siya kasi air-conditioned. Ito, air-conditioned siya. And then andito yung mga may cabinet na isa na yung mga gamit ko. May ref din siya na pwedeng paglagyan ng mga nabili ninyo. And then, of course, yung CR. Ito yung una kong palaging tinitignan yung CR. Maganda naman siya. Ito yung CR nila. And then, dito sa kabila is meron tayong ating shower area nila. So, provided na rin nila yung shampoo, conditioner, and body gel. And at the same time, we also have this one, the shower, yung sabon, and then, ito na yung higaan nila. So, paglabas mo, ito na yung bed nila. Yung bed nila is masyadong malambot. Magandang tulugan. And then, overall naman, maganda siya. Comfortable ka talaga. So, again, if you are planning to go here sa Japan, if you're planning to go here or to come here in Bangkok, Thailand, and you want to stay in Khao San Road, so you can just book this one. Dito nyo na makikita sa Khao San Road. Again, Lucky House. Pakihanap na lang sa Agoda. Again, so this is the room tour dito sa room na pinagstay natin dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. So again, good morning and welcome to my vlog. Sa vlog na ito, papasyal tayo ngayon. This is the day 2 natin dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. At ang itinerary natin ay ang Grand Palace Complex. Tapos pupunta tayo sa Wat Arun and sa Wat Po. Tingnan natin yung mga historical sites ng Bangkok, Thailand. So let's go. So papunta pala doon, ang gagawin ko is lalakarin ko na lang siya kasi nung sinearch ko siya, 13 minutes lang siya from Lucky House dito sa hostel o sa hotel papunta doon. So parang ano lang siya, 1 kilometer. So lakarin na lang natin as a form of exercise also. So tingnan natin kung wala natin kalimutan. Passport check, pera check. Okay, punta na tayo. So ganito lang dito. Kunin mo lang ito. Tapos mamamatay na lahat. Okay. So this is the labas. Ito yung Lucky House. Hindi mo siya makikita kasi ayan siya, tago siya talaga. So ito yung neighborhood niya. Labas na tayo. Ito yung neighborhood. May 7-Eleven. May McDonald's doon sa may kanto doon. Pag pupunta kayo doon, may McDonald's. Tapos ito. Ang dami dito. Vlogs nila. Nasa Thailand talaga tayo. Typical lang din naman na para kang nasa Manila talaga. Meron din dito. Actually, maraming mga hotel dito. Feeling ko hindi rin sila ganun kamahal. So, ito. Coin Museum. Sarado. Tingnan natin. Hindi ko pala alam. Teka. Tapos dito pala, pansin ko lang. halos lahat ng mga buildings, lalo yung mga malalaki, makikita mo talaga yung mga picture ng hari nila. Like, they really love their king. Makikita mo talaga na kahit saan, halos sa currency din nila sa Taibat, lahat ng nandoon na picture, mukha ng hari nila. Yung present na hari nila. Ang init na, hanap tayo ng pedestrian lane. Doon tayo tumawid. Huwag tayong tatawid kahit saan. Pedestrian lane lang. So mag-ingat din kayo dito kasi may mga mag-offer sa inyo ng itutour daw kayo. Kung DIY naman at kaya nyo rin namang hanapin within yourself, then kayo na mag-search. Andyan din naman si Google, so I think no problem with that. Madali rin naman gamitin si Google, so mas better if gumamit na lang kayo ng Google. So dito tayo pupunta. So from there, punta tayo dito sa padadaanan yung China Songkrang Police Station. Napansin ko lang dito kahit saan, maraming police station. Ito yung China Songkrang Police Station. Sabay di mai. Sawadee-ka. Isang dream ko talaga to, makapunta ng Thailand. Like, dream ko dati, napapanood ko sila Byfern, sila Mario Maurer. Like, I really dream to visit Thailand. And ito na, nandito na ako ngayon. So, sundan lang natin Google Map. Ito lang yan. Ito lang sinusundan ko palagi. It is always my guide kahit saan napupunta. Accurate kasi talaga si Google Map. Accurate talaga siya. So, I think pwedeng tumawid dito. Right? Nakakatakot. Ang bilis ng mga ano. Tapos maraming uwak dito. Parang sa Japan, Malaysia lang. Nakakatakot naman dito tumawid. Like, hindi ko lang pwedeng tumawid. Dito, tumawid tayo. Ay, sorry. Thailand. Tapos halos lahat ng mga buildings na dito. Ito yung elephant na tatlo yung ulo. Oh, that's the elephant na tatlo yung ulo. Ito yung dito sa Thailand. Tawid na tayo, so we need to run. Oh, naiwan ko yung tripod ko. Naiwan ko si tripod, so paano natin magpipicture? Naiwan ko yung tripod. Ang hirap intindihin ng mapa nila. Like, hindi ko alam kung saan direction. Like, kung doon ba, tingin tayo ng pedestrian lane ulit. Kasi may nagpe-perform dito. Pwede ba dito? Hindi ko alam kung anong part ito. Parang may ginagawa silang ritual. Ang ganda dito sa Thailand. Ayun, siguro yung Grand Palace. So, ang linis. Tapos hindi ko alam kung ano yun kanina. Parang may ritual sila na ginagawa. So, ang ganda lang talaga na mag-try yung pumasyal. Kasi makikita natin yung culture talaga ng ibang country like the Thai people. So, dito tayo ulit. Ito yung mga flowers nila. May mga flowers sila dito sa daan. At hindi ko alam kung anong uri ng flowers. Pero ang gandang tingnan. Parang yun na ating Grand Palace. So, pwede rin way ng transportation dito. Way ng transpo nila dito is bus. And then, we need to be careful. Bus, tapos bus, tapos train. Pero most of the time, Grab. So, ito na. Punta tayo ng Grand Palace. Tapos lahat, makikita mo may flag. Tapos spacious. Tapos may picture ulit ng hari nila. Tapos ang luwang ng tatawiran mo dito, so you need to be careful kasi ang bibilis ng mga sasakyan, honestly. So kailangan kung tatawid ka, dapat alert ka. Or kung medyo kinakabahan ka, maghanap ka na maghintay ka na lang na kasama mo na pwedeng tumawid. So dito matatanaw mo na yung, di ko alam kung Grand Palace ba ito. Yung Grand Palace, so yun. Again, ang daming mga tuk-tuk dito. So again, you need to be careful kasi doon sa mga napapanood kong vlog, sabi nila may nanginganyo daw tapos scam kayo to buy something. Nandito tayo sa harap ng Supreme Court ng Thailand. Laki ng Supreme Court nila. Tuk-tuk. Magkano kayong pamasahe sa tuk-tuk nila? So, hindi na tayo sa harap ng, hindi ko alam kung ito yung Grand Palace. Don't know where, kung saan papasok.
เข้ามาจากสำนักสพองค์พระลักษมณ์เทพรัตน์ทั้ง5แล้วก็เข้ามาใช้บริการดอกไม้ทูบเทียนของทางศาลหลักเมืองนะคะมีทั้ง8ครบชุดสักการะองค์พระ
Hindi ko alam kung anong temple ito. Pero parang hindi ko alam kung anong temple ito. But they just bow inside. So, hindi ko alam kung anong temple. Hindi ko alam kung pwedeng pumasok. Because they're also praying. คนที่ไหว้องค์พระ60 บาทท่านสามารถซื้อได้ที่ศูนย์จำหน่ายดอกไม้ทุกชนิดอยู่ด้านหน้าทางสำนักงานนะคะก็ขอเชิญให้ทุกท่านได้มาร่วมกันอนุบำรุงศาลหลักเมืองนะมาร่วมกันบูรณะสังขรณ์ศาลหลักเมืองในการเข้ามาใช้บริการดอกไม้ทุกชนิดของทางศาลหลักเมืองและได้ร่วมบุญใหญ่กับองค์พระลักษมณ์เทพรัตน์ในการเป็นเจ้าภาพทอดกฐินพระป่าในชีวิตโคกระบือบูรณะต่อสำนักงานโรงเรียนวัด Kasi mamaya bawal pala mag-VD dito. Punta tayo doon sa, saan kaya entrance nito?
และรวมถึงนะคะทุกท่านก็ยังจะได้ร่วมกันซื้อเครื่องมือแพทย์ให้กับโรงพยาบาลทหารผ่านศึกและได้ร่วมกันช่วยเหลือและตอบแทนคุณความดีของทหารผ่านศึกที่เสียสละร่างกายชีวิตและเลือดเพื่อที่จะ
Excuse sir. Sir, where is the entrance? Is this the Grand Palace? Yes. Is this the Grand Palace? Okay. There. I can go inside there. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, ang entrance daw doon sa likod. Tinanong ko doon sa likod. Sabay tayo dito. Sabay tayong tumawid kasi ang lawak ng ano nila. Ang lawak ng tawiran nila. Parang nakakakaba. So dito na tayo sa Grand Palace. Welcome to Bangkok. Sabay ulit tayo. Mama, Jaya.
ประตูนั่นแหละฝั่งนู้นไม่มีประตู
Init. Kung pupunta kayo dito, magdala kayo ng payong kasi kung hindi kayo magdadala ng payong, init. Init ka. Dala tayo ng payong. Puti nagdala tayo ng payong. May pila ata. Ang dami ng tao. Hindi ko alam kung ba't hindi pa sila pumapasok o hindi pa nagbubukas. Tingnan natin. Ito na ating entrance eh. At ang pumasok. Daming kumpulan. Parang change guard pa sila bago sila nagpapasok. So na hindi na sila nag-aalaw na silang pumasok. So, patayin ko lang ito. Ang daming tao. Ang daming tao dito. Good morning. So, ito may scanner pa. Tapos information bago pumasok. So hindi ka kagad makakapasok kasi i-check muna nila yung mga gamit ninyo.
เดี๋ยวเรียกค่าต้องได้สินค้าแล้วแสดงบัตรช่องใช้ถึงนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ ขอบคุณ
สวั
มา
ส
ก
ดี
ค่ะ
ค่ะ Good morning.
ก็เป็นผู้หญิงเป็นค่ะ
So dito na tayo ngayon sa Grand Palace. So dito, grabing paus. Sanitizer. Hindi ata pwedeng pumasok. So this is the Grand Palace. Grand Palace ata. Hindi ata pwedeng pumasok sa loob. Paano sila nakakapasok doon? So dito tayo ngayon sa may ticket office. Dito kailangan bumili ng ticket para makapasok ka mismo. So ito yun. Dito ka. So pwede ang cash, pwede rin atang credit card. Hello, good morning. How much is the ticket?
500 บาทตัววานนะคะ
For one. One person. Oh, thank you. So, ang ticket ay 500 baht.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, ito yung ticket nila. 500 baht. This one is ticket. So, ito yung mga pwede mong puntahan. May exchange din dito. ATM. Init na. So, dito tayo sa... Doon kung saan na to. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Kapun ka. So, dito, pwedeng kumuha. Kuha tayo dito. Kukuha ka dyan ng guide. Gasa ng kamay. So, dito sa may Grand Halas. Oh, detailed ang wall nila. This is the cloister mural painting of Ramayana epic. Ah, okay. So, dito yung detail ng painting. Oh. It is a mural painting from Ramayana. So, tingnan natin. So, ang ganda ng details nila dito. Detail lang talaga. Detailed. Merong great pagoda dito. I don't know what's this pagoda. Ito na yung palace. Ah, ito pala. Ito yung Praseratana Chedi. Chedi in Thai, it was erected by King Rama IV in 1855. So, nabuild pa pala itong building, itong, how do you call this one? This is Golden Stupa noong 1855. So, it's been a long time. So, ang laman nito, relics of the Lord Buddha are enshrined inside this stupa. So, it's very important, this one. This one is very important to them. Okay, so dito tayo ngayon sa Praseratana Chedi. Elephant. Laki itong part ito. Tiles siya na parang made up of golden crystal yung ano niya. Ito naman yung model ng Angkor Wat, yung sa Cambodia.
O si no, sigue haciendo fotos si quiere.
So, bawat temple nila may history. There's a history behind it. Ito, hanapin natin kung ano ito. So ito, it is a chapel. Ang pangalan ng chapel is Vihara Yod Chapel. Tapos, pag pumunta ka dito, more on mural painting sila. That depicts the Thai culture. So, mahilig din sila. It's like, parang ang building na to, or ang palace na to, was erected in the time of King Rama IV. Yun kasi yung mga nababasa ko. So, yung mga places na nandito, it is a chapel. Kung hindi siya chapel, a place siya kung saan inilalagay yung mga relics ng Buddha. So, it is very important for them. Ang galing lang kasi na-preserve talaga nila yung painting. Mural painting talaga siya. So, it is made up of paint. Pero, na-maintain talaga nila, which is really good. So, dito yung history talaga ng Thailand. Makikita mo sa mural pa lang. They are really rich in culture. Just colorful and detailed palagi yung mga makikita niyo dito. Like this one. Mga guards. Parang guards na nagbabantay ng pagoda. So they're really amazing. There's another statue here. Another place. Hindi ko alam kung castle ba to. Parang temple ulit. So makikita niyo dito yung mga guards nila. This is an Asura Paksi. So parang half rooster, half human. Yung kanina doon, parang half human, half parang isda. So ang ganda ng details. Detail na detail lahat. Ng places. Paano na binild. Like, masyadong detailed. So yung Grand Palace, binubuo siya ng iba't ibang chapel, iba't ibang building. So hindi lang pala siya, kaya pala siya tinawag na Grand Palace kasi marami ka palang makikita sa loob, which is really good. It's really cool. This is the Royal Pantheon. So ito yung Grand Palace. Makikita nyo dito, this is the Grand Palace. So, laki pala. This is the Grand Palace. So ito yung Grand Palace. So ang gamit ko na yung iPhone kasi wala na lobat na yung gamit kong camera. So this is what it looks like. Bago ko pumasok dito sa parang sa palace nila, kailangan mo na magtanggal ng sapatos at iiwan nyo doon yung sa sapatos nyo. This is how it looks like. So dito, papasok tayo, tapos exit sa labas. Lalabas na tayo ulit. Punta na tayo ng Wat 2.